Hi friends, this is Mandakini Khatavi, Assistant Professor, Shri K. Lokapur Art Science Commerce Degree College, Athani. Today I want to discuss the topic surface chemistry, which comes under BSc 5th Sem Paper 2 syllabus. Before going to this, I want to tell you what is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry, it is the branch of chemistry which deals the phenomenon of taking place on the surface. It is known as surface chemistry. Okay, it has 3 points. First one is adsorption and absorption, second one is colloidal states of matter, and third one is enzyme catalyst. Okay, I hope all of you understand the surface chemistry. Okay, for your syllabus, that is adsorption. That is adsorption. What is adsorption? The phenomenon of attracting and retaining the molecules of a substances on the surface of solid or a liquid, resulting by higher concentration of the molecules on the surface. It is known as adsorption. Okay, I will tell you one example. Take a piece of chalk and it is dipped in a ink and it absorbs the ink. When it is broken, it is found to be white inside. Okay, I hope it is the good example for this adsorption. Okay, in adsorption there is 2 points. First one is adsorbate and the second one is adsorbent. Adsorbate, let us take it is the solid and these are the molecules. Okay, these are the molecules. When the substances take place on the adsorption, it is adsorbent, and when the substance takes place on the surface, it is adsorbate. Okay, what is adsorbent and what is adsorbate? Adsorbate is the substances which takes place, which the adsorption is taken place, that is adsorbent, and adsorbate, it is the substances which takes place on the surface, it is known as adsorbate. Okay, these are the adsorbed molecules. Okay, all of you understand this adsorbate and adsorbent. Next, adsorption isotherms. What is adsorption isotherm? The curves obtained by the gas plotting amount of gas adsorbed versus pressure of the gas at a constant temperature is called adsorption isotherm. Okay, it is plotting the graph amount of gas adsorbed versus pressure. When the graph is plotted, it is at a constant temperature. It is known as a what? Adsorption isotherm. Okay, all of you know about this adsorption and adsorption isotherm. Okay, fine. Next one is Freundlich adsorption isotherm. All of you know about the adsorption isotherm. Based on this, the scientist Freundlich determined that the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. There is one graph, that is this is x-axis and this is a y-axis, and this one is amount of gas adsorbed, that is x by m. Okay, this is a pressure, that is P. When the amount of gas adsorbed is increases, then the pressure also increases, that is like this. The graph shows like this. When the amount of gas adsorbed, the pressure also increases, but the graph shows that when the pressure increases, the graph is parallel to the x-axis. It is the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. The main equation is x by m is directly proportional to p raised to 1 by n. Okay, for this proportional we taking that x by m equal to k, p raised to 1 by n. Okay, this one is the main equation for the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Next one, it has some limitations. That is, first one is pressure. When it not takes the high pressure, it doesn't operate on the high pressure. Next one, K and N are the constants and it at a constant temperature. These are the limitations for the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Okay. Next step is taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, that is log of x by m equal to log of kp raised to 1 by n. Okay. Next, log of x by m equal to log of k plus log of p raised to 1 by n. Taking log for k and p, it separates. That is log k plus log p raised to 1 by n. Next step is log of x by m is equal to log of k is as it is. Then what we are getting? Taking 1 by n log of p. Okay, this is the second equation. By plotting this graph, that is what we are taking here, plotting, this is x and this is y, this is the log of x by m and this is the pressure log p, and the plot is like this, plot is like this, the slope is taking here, that is slope is 1 by n, graph is taking like this, and this one is a log of k. Plotting that graph, that is log of x by m versus log p, then slope is 1 by n and the interest is log k. This is the graph for this equation. Freundlich adsorption isotherm's main equation is x by m equal to kp raised to 1 by n, where p is a pressure, next, and x is the mass of adsorbent and m is the mass of adsorbate, and k and n are the constants. This is the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Thank you.